everyone. Happy National Homebuyers Month. Welcome back. It is day 5 of our series. I am Marva Morris, your Central Jersey Realtor, and all month long I will be sharing daily tips to help first-time homebuyers like yourself. So today's topic is credit scores in home buying. What do you really need to know? If the word credit makes you nervous, you're not alone. This stuff can be confusing, but I promise to keep it simple and friendly. So let's dive in. The first question I'm going to answer is why your credit score matters. Now, lenders look at your credit score to decide how risky it is to loan you money. So think of your score as your financial trustworthiness number. A higher score can help you get a better interest rate, meaning a lower monthly payment. But you don't need a perfect 800 to buy a home. Far from it. So what score do you need? So for a conventional loan, which is not government backed, most lenders want to see at least around a 620. For an FHA loan, which is popular for first-time home buyers, you can often have a score as low as 580 if you have at least 3.5% to put down on the property. In some cases, even scores down to 500 can work if you put 10% down, though not all lenders allow this, so you'd really have to look. Now, VA loans, which are for veterans, and USDA loans, which are for rural areas, can be flexible on credit scores. They're accepting scores around 580 to 620 and up. But the bottom line, if you're 620 or above, you have a lot of options. If you're between 580 to 619, you still have options like FHA, but you might pay a bit of a higher rate. Now, if you're below 580, it might be worth taking a few months to improve your score, but don't lose hope. There are strategies to boost it. Now I'm going to give you some tips to improve your credit if you need to. So first thing you want to do is check your credit report. You can get a free report from each bureau annually. So you're going to look for errors that might be dragging your score down, and you're going to dispute them. Now, next, you want to pay down your debts. Your credit utilization, and what that means is how much of your credit limits you're actually using, affects your score. So paying down credit card balances below 30% of your limit can give you a quick boost. So, for example, if you have a credit card with a balance of or you can have $1,000, you need to have your balance be no more than $300. So $1,000 your limit, balance $300. Now also, no big loans during the home buying process. Avoid taking out new loans or credit cards. Do not finance a new car or buy new furniture on credit just yet. New debt can lower your score and also affect your mortgage approval. Next thing, pay on time. This is huge. Set up reminders or auto pay to avoid any late payments. Payment history is a big chunk of your credit score. So now I'm going to give you something New Jersey specific. In New Jersey actually has some credit counseling programs and first-time homebuyer classes. So sometimes it's required for certain down payment assistance, the grants, that can help you improve your financial picture. So rah for New Jersey. If your credit score is a challenge, I can connect you with a HUD-approved counselor or New Jersey programs to get you on track. Remember, your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Lenders also look at your income, savings, and debt-to-income ratio, so don't be discouraged if your score isn't perfect. Now, I have helped buyers with all sorts of credit histories become home owners. So if you're unsure about your credit or you want advice on getting mortgage ready, reach out to me at 609-468-6324. I can help you review your situation confidentially and point you in the right direction. Remember to reach out to me for my book on the complete guide to buying a home. You got this, and I am here to help. Once again, I am Marva Morris, and I am your Central Jersey Realtor, moving you forward. Next, on day 6, we are going to talk about saving up for that down payment. Happy National Home Buyers Month, and have an awesome and amazing day.